Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new bumper fixing buckles.
These anti-collision washers are made of T6 6061 high-quality solid billet aluminum with high strength and long durability. They're also powder coated in an anodized finish. So this will be a perfect part to give a beautiful finish look. The bumper quick release fasteners will also allow easy and quick removal of your bumper or a luggage compartment. It is applicable to all kinds of vehicles and can even work in other ways. This will be applicable to all different kinds of vehicles, including the front bumper, rear bumper, trunk and hatch cover, or even more. This kit will be perfect to help solve the problem of fixing the bumper again after it falls off, or to help make it more convenient to remove and install.